Ready?
Oh, yeah, just hand that. You cook your chips in wax. And they come out really crispy. Uh-oh, going heavyweight. Christmas one today. I got a Christmas dinner. I've even got some crackers. I'm in the Lavoo. Gonna give that another go. Seeing as I failed last time. There it is. There's another way to do it. Putting 3 sticks above and hanging it from there. I might do that later if I've got enough time. But there's only about an hour or 2 left of light. I seen as it's Christmas.
Oh, thank you. An opener.
Well, it is Christmas today, right?
Oh. Tidy. Oh, flex style. Happy days. I knew you'd give it to me eventually. Nice up, man.
That's right.
I'll give
you that before your airbag goes up back.
I'll get you something now.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. The Lavoo is like a safe hole you can crawl into. Snuggles you up in a cocoon. The most important thing when you're stealth camping like this in the woods is make sure you got the right camouflage gear. Brown tents, green camouflage. But if you are getting a bit too hot, you know, make sure to get them layers off. You've got to regulate your body temperature correctly. Yeah! So we got the wood processing coming from this way. Giant fire pit. This has been here for years and years and years. I think someone else might have used it as well,
I think so,
yeah, because we cleared it out, didn't we?
We filled it all in with rocks.
There's the freak setup. Preacher Bear sent me a bow saw that he's made. Thank you very much. I haven't tried it out yet. It's got a nice canvas bag. And it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. Let's see. And then to get the tension in it, this spins round and round in the centre. Pull it right in. Yeah, it's pretty solid, no? That works really well. Very nice.
Oh, it's a thing of beauty, man. Can't wait to get mine up.
I'm gonna do my cooking on that now. Very stealthy tent.
Wood processing. It's not bad axles, eh?
Yeah, sharpener this week. So you're going to evaluate my edge, yeah? I was going to say you chopped the tree down before that, like.
Oh, there we go. Ready?
Oh, yeah, just hand on it. I see that.
Happy days. Bottle opener.
That's ideal, this.
Sound.
Hawkshead Brewery.
Oh, might as well keep
Oh,
the hat.
you got to read the joke out there.
I was going to keep the hat. Oh, why did the Scarecrow get the promotion?
Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
They got to be something crappy for Christmas, don't they?
Been loving the 8 off the top tent owners. Love it!
Everyone's got the scarp, haven't they?
I personally think the internet's oversaturated with them, like.
Yeah.
Are they all the nickname from us now?
What's that?
The he-she tents.
Sheet.
Don't know what it, don't know what it, is it a solo, is it an act, though? No one knows, like.
He can't make up his mind.
Can't make up his mind, like.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. Woo! Moon's out. Moon is rising. We've now got a tree. All that lot. And a fire bigger than the dog.
Oh, man.
That's plenty there, I think. So
Yeah, I'm an actor.
I'm going to cook my dinner on this. I could have just done it in the fire, can I?
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, that fat wood I collected the other day. There is a bit in there, but it's not the best stuff ever. Let's see if I can spark it though. Blazing, huh?
Right, be that.
So the fire is going.
Eventually.
We had it blazing almost instantly. Alright, it did take a few attempts, like.
Coleman's full, like.
So, I've got beef dinner with pigs in blankets. Well, that's Christmassy, you know.
Yeah, not bad. If you're in the hospital, like.
Right, it says you can do this in the oven, so it should be alright on top of that, shouldn't it?
Billy can oven on the go, like.
Started going a funny shape then. Ah, yeah, it's melting.
Yeah, boy. Oven my ass.
But it says you can do in the oven.
Oven my ass. So what are you going to do now, son? What are you going to do now?
Adapt and overcome, innit?
Exactly.
There you go. Slightly plasticky taste. Yeah. I probably got more pigs in blankets than I got dinner.
Well,
what's for tea over this way?
Hunter's chicken.
Nice. Some proper grub.
Top
It's
grub.
going in that little pot there.
It's my oven. Too much potatoes, like.
Soppy for some. No, I'm just going to chuck them away. Into my lavoo.
Yeah. That's the idea.
Soppy for pig and blanket, I was going to say.
No, you can have whatever I done. I cook. I'm gonna have it. I got more than enough there, like.
Fire is struggling.
No.
Christmas dinner's looking alright.
Cow, I'm starving all the exercise I've been doing.
Weird sort of wood, isn't it?
Wet.
It's no longer pigs in blankets, it's just bacon and sausages. It all fell off. Midnight walk to find some water down to the brook. It's not far, but when you're in the pitch black, it feels a lot longer. Does anyone know if this is watercress? Because this is absolutely filled with it. Look how icy it is. There's the camp. See him shine the beacon. What foods reminds you of Christmas then? Apart from a Christmas dinner. I'm not saying I've got them all here, but I've got some like
Pickled onions.
pickled onions. Well, those things, and it looked like a Pringle, but it was like a full-on tube. They were quite sweet, they were, weren't they?
Huh? Brandy
Snaps. We tried them?
No, I've never tried.
I haven't got them. Like.
Oh, have you got brandy snaps?
Almond fingers. We've got to have some weird food at Christmas now. Got to be some Christmas pudding. And matchmakers.
Oh, look out.
Oh, and some chocolate coins, you know, from Santa.
Oh, some good embers coming out.
Yeah, I should be cooking it good now.
Might be able to have something to eat. Oh, by 12 tonight. Oh. 5 minutes before the bacon goes on.
Yeah, it's a new thing now. You cook your chips in wax. And they come out really crispy.
Woo.
The bacon's gone in.
Bacon's gone in.
It's snowing.
It's looking good, man. That fire now, isn't it?
Oh, well, good.
See if I survive the night. Oh, chicken poisoning. Food poisoning, huh? Chicken poisoning. He's a monkey. Monkey boy. Oh. Time for the sauces to go on. Oh, look at that.
Looks nice.
Yeah, a barbecue. This could be a miracle on 24th Street.
Really Christmas.
Really Christmas.
Hunter's chicken. That's what everyone has for Christmas. Oh, that looks good though. That's the shot. The action shot.
The money shot.
That's the one.
Boosh. Fair dues. I've knocked out the park on this one.
Embers at the edge would be alright, don't they?
No, get it in there, man.
Get right in there. Muck about.
Time to mess about.
You can't muck about with these things. I think it's time for this.
Mulled.
The mulled wine.
Good up. This is a rock good now.
Oh yeah. Chippies.
In the evening, watching the ships rolling.
Watching them rolling out again.
Roll away again. Yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide go away.
What are you whinging about?
Oh, it's burnt.
Oh no.
It'd be right now when I scrape the blackness off it.
Crisped off.
Hang on.
Proper crisped off.
No.
Inside it'd be right.
That's mint. Chips over there, like that, see? It's all about presentation. Tomatoes. Couple of tomatoes, like. Bit of peppercorn sauce on there, like that. Right? Gotta have your greens.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. See what?
Now that's a Christmas meal.
See what?
Hunter's chicken. Oh, I got a nail file. What do you give a person who has everything? Antibiotics.
What the hell, man?
Okay.
Oh, what? Ungrateful kid. That's disgusting. Can't believe that. Good for the soul, son.
Look at that. Right, so as you can see, I'm nearly packed up, so I'm going to keep plodding along with that. Hope Santa gets you everything you want, and